What is up, everybody? Welcome back to basically this is the money channel. So yeah, welcome back to the money channel. So in this video we are going to be looking at crude oil. This trade, I don't know, I want to say I've been experimenting, but I don't know if this is an experiment. Basically, I won't advise people trying it unless they have a tolerance. You'll see what I mean when I show you. So I've been looking at oil, I've been looking to sell oil. Okay, so this has been climbing for a while now, since the start of September, since 10th of September. I was thinking maybe a retracement is due. To be fair, it has been making higher highs and higher lows, so I don't know why I would be looking for a sell. Should be looking for buys, but nevertheless I looked for some selling entries, and there was multiple times that I could have cashed out, but I didn't. So let me show you. Okay, so this is my small account. So this is where I practice or take risky trades and stuff like that. Let me show you how much I'm down by actually. As you can see, I got multiple positions open, a total of £4.25 open, and I'm currently down 350 quid. Ouch, not great. The first few entries that I've done is this one. So this was back on the 16th of September, so last Monday. So I've been in this one for a week. I didn't enter by much. I entered by with 25p. I knew this wasn't going to go down, so I just thought, okay, if it goes down 25p, whatever. So I entered there, it went up, entered there again, it went up slightly, and then it went down. I could have cashed out here, could have closed all my trades, be done with it, but I just held it. Went up, went down again, could have cashed out, but didn't. Went up, right? When it went up, start consolidating. I entered again. This one I entered twice. Entered £1 and £1, so £2 total. So at this point, we're in 25p, 50p, £2, so £2.75. Been holding these ones for a week, and then yesterday, which is Monday, it dropped, and then we came back up, and then it dropped again. This is a 200 pip drop from there to there. I could have cashed out. I was up like £400, okay, but I didn't. I don't know why. Listen, there's a method to this madness, right? Held it, came back up, went even higher, right? And I've just entered again £1 and 50p, so £1.50. So in total, we're in £4.25 per pips, and we're down £350 when we checked before. I still think this is going to go down. I've seen this pattern before, right, when the market does this, so that's why I'm holding. The reason why I didn't sell is because I have a feeling it's going to go down even further. However, what I should have done is close it here, wait for it to retrace, and then re-enter at even better position. However, I did not know that it was going to retrace past this. Okay, so this is, let me show you this. So yeah, this is the 200 pip drop. I thought it was only going to come and retest to here. Yeah, so at the moment it's here. So we re-entered here. So I'm hoping it's going to go down, break through all this and go back down. I'm expecting it to drop to around 67 further. So I'm looking to cash out either around here, 68 or 67, depending on the momentum and the volume. I don't know how this is going to go. If it goes well, great, we got a video. If it doesn't go well, unlucky, we still got a video. So what you're about to watch next is over 24 hours of footage, but I'm not going to make you wait that long. Come on. Thanks to the magic of editing. Okay guys, update. This trade has been very fucking annoying, as you guys can see. It's moving very slow. Hopefully volume is going to come in. I'm going to keep pushing it down. There's an oil news coming out in 27 minutes, so around 3:30. So yeah, hopefully that will send it our way, which is down. I know at some point we were up, what, like 500 to 600? I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure it was around that bit. I don't know if it's going to happen today. I don't know if it's going to take the whole week. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so update. It's currently 8 p.m. Wednesday. Been holding this trade for fuck knows how long. What you've been watching is hours and hours and hours of footage. So as you can tell, all these candlesticks are worth 1 hour. So every time a candlestick closes, it's just 1 hour gone. You can just do the math. At the moment, this account is up 675. Because it was evening and the market sometimes does play game during the night, I decided to move my stop loss to break even. So the average entry was around 7125. So I decided to move all the major position at 7120. So all of them were in profit. The first two entry, that 25p and 50p at the bottom, I just left them as it is. The main reason for moving this stop loss is because rather it takes me out and I look for another entry, especially when you're in profit for that much. I'm running risk free right now, so we're safe. Whatever happens, we're not going to lose any money, but it's going to be shitty if it goes up there and takes me out, because held it for so long. I got hit with holding costs and all that stuff. It wasn't that much, luckily. It was only like £5 or £10 or something. I don't know. I need to double check. Hopefully this moves during the night. I want to get out at around at least 68. Ideally 68 or lower would be great. The ideal place to come out would be 67, but if it goes to 68, that's the majority of the move. So I'm not going to cry over 100 pips when I'm up like 300 plus pips. I don't know if I'm going to record it overnight. I'm not too sure. I might just resume the recording in the morning. I don't know yet. You'll see anyway if I do it or not. See you guys on the next update, which will probably be tomorrow or when I close this trade. If you're enjoying this video, leave a like please, guys. Update. I think I'm gonna be cashing out anytime soon now. It's 6:48 a.m. Sorry to interrupt, but I'm gonna take over. I was half asleep. You can hear it in my voice. So basically the market started to melt overnight. I forgot to mention that I also entered in my other account, but I went light at £2 per pips. But look at that entry though. I caught it right at the top, so we're up almost £800 on this one. And if I just flip back to the other account, as you can see, we're up over 1.3k. If I combine both of the accounts, then we're up just over 2k. Not bad, eh? Especially after being down around 400 at the start of the video. Anyway, I decided to cash out as the target of 68 was pretty much hit. So I closed everything on this one and then jumped into the other account. I ended up closing one full position and closed 90% of the other position, then moved the stop loss super deep into profit. I know I could have probably held this for a bit, but I'm fighting sleep right now. Back to you, sleepy boy. I'll go back to sleep and then do an outro when I wake up again. This update is basically to summarize everything and close off the video. So it is 9 o'clock. Finally woken up. The last clip that you saw was probably me closing off the trade. The market pushed all the way down, so let me go on the 4 hour actually. Pushed all the way down, broke past 68, which was one of our target, and came down in this zone of 67, which was also our target. Because it was early in the morning and I was sleepy, so I just thought, okay, I'm just gonna close it here, because I wasn't too sure if that was gonna retrace before it goes there or it was just gonna keep pushing down. And again, I didn't want to really monitor it, but it was only like 100 pips off, so we already ate so many pips, like 300 plus pips. I can just make another 100 pips on another day. Although we could have made more, we're fine. Okay, so in this trade we made 1.3k from £4.25, which is great. And on this account we made £781, which is also great. Yeah, so in total that's around 2k we made. That's not bad at all. If you think about it, all I did, right, was enter the market and just let it run. Obviously I was monitoring it. That's basically the summary, guys. I don't want to keep you guys for too long, be talking for too long. So yeah, that's gonna do it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. These were several hours of fucking screen recording, so I really hope you enjoyed it. So if you did like it, leave a like, subscribe, share it. What's your boy?
Yeah, I'm bringing sexy back.